Hello YouTube, this is an instructional on how to program your 2022 BMW M5 to a garage door as well as a front gate. Garage door and front gate are both LiftMaster brand. So step number one, we're going to start the car. Okay. Step number two, we want to clear any existing code that is in the car right now. Unfortunately, I don't think you can do it otherwise. So you will have to clear everything that's there right now. So the way we do that is we're gonna hold the first button and the third button at the same time until that light starts blinking green. Perfect. Now, to do this, you are gonna need a remote that is already programmed to what you wanna program your car to. So in this case, my front gate is already programmed to this big button and my garage is already programmed to this bottom right button. So step number two, locate the button you want to program in your car. So in this case, I want to program my front gate to button number one. So I'm just gonna press it. Light starts blinking orange. Now I'm gonna take my remote and I'm gonna hold the button that's already programmed on the remote. So front gate is the big one, I'm gonna hold it until that mirror starts blinking green. Perfect. Now, we're gonna go over to the actual gate itself. I've already taken off the cover to the control panel. And here we are. So, some gates have a learn button on the motherboard here. Sometimes there's like a learn button right here, and it'll literally say the word learn. This one does not have a learn button, but if you go on the side here, this little thing here is the equivalent. So I'm just gonna press, it says channel 1. There's a little button right there. I'm just gonna press it until the light comes on. Boom. Now that that light is on, I'm gonna go back to the car. Okay, I want gate in button number 1, so I'm just gonna hold it for a few seconds. Let go, and then hold it again for a few seconds, and this should open the gate. Let's see. Okay, yes, the gate is moving. Perfect. And there you go. That's how you program a front gate to your car. We're gonna literally repeat the same procedure for the garage. So, with the exception of clearing the code. We've already cleared the code and programmed the gate. So now we're gonna program the garage to number 2. So skip step 1. Step 2, we're just gonna press the button that we wanna code, that we wanna pair. Okay, take the remote, press the equivalent button. So my garage door is on the bottom right, and hold the button until this starts blinking green. Perfect. Now we're gonna go to the garage door itself. Okay, so every garage door is gonna be different. This may be hard to see, but there should be a learn button on your garage door motor. In this case, it's one of these side motors. The learn button is gonna be that puppy right there. So I'm just gonna press it once. Okay, lights up. Now I'm gonna go back to the car. And I'm gonna hold the button that I wanna pair for about, I don't know, 5 seconds. Let go, and I'm gonna hold it again. And there we go. The garage door is don't know if you can see that, but it is shutting. And that, my friends, is how to program a 2022 BMW M5 to your LiftMaster front gate and garage.